Following segment is sponsored by the Salt Lake Home and Garden Show. This weekend is your chance to step into the world of inspiration and expertise. Ian Richmond is here to share how the Salt Lake Home and Garden Show can help you create the home of your dreams. Ian, welcome back to the show.
Thanks for having me.
Of course, all right, it's happening this weekend, the Salt Lake Home and Garden Show. What can we expect?
Anything you need from your home, from indoor inspiration to outdoor inspiration with landscaping and gardening, and we're having a couple pools at the show.
All right, people get really excited about the HGTV stars. There are some that are going to be there. Who are they? Give us all the details.
Yeah, so it's the sisters from Renovation 911. They will be presenting on both Friday evening and Saturday afternoon.
All right, exciting. All right, and besides the sisters, there are going to be other experts there. Tell us all about that.
Yeah, we have over 500 experts that will be at the show. We have two stages, our garden stage and design stage, with different experts that will be giving presentations hourly. And then anything you want to update, if it be you need new concrete, you need a new roof, or if you want to be inspired for your kitchen, bath, landscaping. Like I said, we have two gardens. We've got a really cool golf simulator. Everything you need for your home.
Well, a golf simulator.
Yeah.
That's gonna.
Yeah.
There you go. They have everything. Talk to us about the designer rooms. What are these? What can we expect?
Yeah. So Nest Furnishings is partnered with us, and just some inspiration for whatever you might be looking for your design. Living room, kitchen. They have a couple different vignettes set up for you.
All right, perfect. And you mentioned landscaping. There are going to be some landscape gardens there. Talk to us about that.
Yeah, we have. Big thanks to Odyssey Pools and Summit Pools to bring them. We literally have pools filled with water waiting for you to come check out. There's some great paving. And then if you're looking for something new, a lot of people are going to turf. We have some great turf examples. And like I said, the golf simulator, it's an outdoor golf simulator. It's really cool.
Okay, perfect. All right, and people are heading into gardening season. It may not feel like it, but it is around the corner. So what is the pop-up plant market?
So Schmidt's Farms is bringing in some plants, and we'll be selling, whatever you might be looking for your home. Give some inspiration, some color, and bring it to your house.
All right. Is this event for experts, people who know everything, or is it for beginners like me? Is it for both?
Anybody. If you already have plans, bring them in. The exhibitors love that. If you have already plans of what you're looking for, and they can give you a bid and plan. Or if you're just looking for inspiration, looking for new ideas for your project that's coming up, we're going to have it all.
All right, now let's talk about the details in getting there. Talk to us about parking and the ticket deal you have going on for military and teachers.
Yeah, we love to celebrate our heroes. So military, police, teachers, anybody in those fields, bring your ID to Will Call on Friday and you'll get a free ticket.
Perfect.
And if everybody else, go to saltlakehomeandgardenshow.com and buy in advance and get a discounted ticket.
All right.
We all know parking is a challenge there sometimes. So we will have a shuttle all weekend. So if parking the full, go across the street to the nice building. We will have a shuttle all day.
I love that because I'm one of those people when I go to a place, I think, well, what's the parking like before I've even left my house? And you guys have that taken care of.
Yep. It's always busy. We have an additional 1,000 stalls across at the nice building. So.
Oh, this is going to be so amazing. Ian, thank you so much for coming into the show.
Yeah, thanks for having me again.